firsties, how are you today? I'm excited for today because we get new spelling words. If you look at your week 6, make sure it says week 6, throw that one away. Week 6 daily schedule, we have new spelling words, and all these spelling words have that A sound in them, except our tricky word. They have the A sound, and we now know 3 ways to make our A sound. Our A magic E, our AI, and our AY. So those are what we're focusing on all week. So we have one A magic E word, which is escape. So if we sound that out, it would be escape. Escape. I need to escape this awful nightmare. That's escape. To get away from something. We have our AI sound, and remember when we have the A sound spelled with our AI, it's usually in the middle. The sound is in the middle of our word, like rain, hair, and explain. All of those AI sounds are in the middle. They don't usually end a word with an AI, making that A sound. So that's how you can kind of tell between our AI and our AY. And then our AY usually, and when I say usually, that means there's an exception to this all the time, but it usually is at the end of our word, like stay, stray, and display. So if you happen to be taking a spelling test like we would in class, you would think, oh, rain. Is that the AI or the AY? Rain, rain. Oh, there's an N sound after it, and it's in the middle, so it's probably my AI. That's how you can remember. Or stray. Is it AI or AY? It's at the end, so it's probably an AY. And then we have our tricky word, your. We've been working on this one in first grade, so you probably already know how to spell it. But if not, make sure to practice that one this week. Y-O-U-R. And this type of your shows possession. Like this is your dog or your pencil or your teacher or your pillow. It's something that is yours. Yours. So those are our spelling words. Work on them however you would like. Any of the tools I gave you in your homeschool bin, or you can just write them on paper, on your whiteboard, anything you'd like. But practice those, write them at least 3 times each, okay? And next we are going to read a story from Kay and Martez. All right, class, it's time, now that you've practiced your spelling words, it is time to read the next story in Kay and Martez. The story is called The Red Dish. So how would you find what page the red dish is on? I think by now you guys all know to turn to your table. What? Table of contents, right. So in the table of contents, you'll see that the red dish is right after Dinner with Kay that we read last time. So it should be on page 14. In the red dish, you are going to see, we're continuing our current A sound, right? So you're going to see a word spelled with AI, like pain. Ooh, I hope nobody's in pain. A word spelled with AY, like in today and saying. And notice that both of those are towards the end of the word, say, and then we have our extra ending here, ing, to make it present tense, right? And then we have our tricky word, Mexico. It's tricky because our O doesn't say ah. It says its name, and there's no magic E, so it's tricky, Mexico. But if you see this word, it's Mexico. Awesome. So today's story, you're going to read it to find out what's in the red dish. I wonder. When you finish reading it and you find out what's in the red dish, you are going to turn to 6.2, which is on page 23. And on the first page, you have multiple choice questions. So you're going to read the question and fill in whatever answer is correct. And put your page numbers where you found your answer if you'd like. And then on the back page, you have 2 questions to write out the answers to in complete sentences. I can't wait to see your awesome work. And have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I was going to tell you, what's Spirit Day tomorrow? Oh, it's Color Day. And I think first grade's color is blue, which I was so excited about because last year, first grade's color was black. I think you guys last year in kindergarten got a tie-dye. And I was jealous. I want a tie-dye. But first grade last year was black, which I'm actually wearing black today, which was an easy color to do. But I'm like, wait, first graders love pink and purple and blue and green and yellow. So this year we get blue. So wear blue tomorrow. Send a picture to Mrs. Conniff, and you're going to be on Facebook. I can't wait to see. And tomorrow when you see me, I'll be in all blue for Spirit Day. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.